This one is the Electroweld brand, 20 kVA rod welder for welding various metals like MS from 4 to 14 mm dia, from copper from 4 to 8 mm dia, aluminum and brass from 5 to 10 mm dia. Please connect this machine to the main supply, air supply, as per the details given in the nameplate as well as in the manual. We will show you the parts that this machine has. Here we have welding jaws. These are the chromium, zirconium, copper hardened and tempered alloy welding jaws. These are the clamping jaws. These are clamping cylinders. This is a flash guard. Here we have a apparel. Connect air inlet over here. Say about 5 bar. This is a pressure adjuster. For adjusting the clamping pressure. We have set about 5 bar. This is an air filter. This is a drain knob. You should drain the water. To maintain the level over here for a while. And here we have pressure regulator for the welding pressure. These are the solenoid valves for clamping and then welding. This is the gap adjusting lever. Gap to be adjusted between the two jaws as per the scale shown over here. Then over here we have the cutoff limit switch that cuts off the current after the weld is over. This one here is the welding pressure cylinder. This here is the flow control valve for adjusting the speed of the cylinder. Here we have a welding push button, main supply indicator. This is the unlink push button. This is a current selector. At the bottom we have the clamping cylinders for clamping the job. Welding different rods. We have made a manual with approximate welding data. Please read the manual for the different wire diameter welding data, and after adjusting the current, clamping pressure and the welding pressure gap, you can clamp the wires. So supposing you want to weld 4 mm diameter wire rods. For that we have adjusted the gap. Say about here you can read. Then current we have to adjust the number 4. And the pressure we have to adjust about 15 psi. Then clamp the rods. Welding jaws. Then clamp that rod over here, and then press the push button. You will see welding taking place. Cut off is automatic. Remove the flash guard. Declamp the top. You can take the lever back. Clamp the welded rod in between the welding jaws. Either the welded portion is in between. Then with this welding switch you can give the pulses. Welding taking place. Now this rod is annealed. Now you can take out the rod, do the burr grinding and use wherever you want to use. 12 mm again we will adjust the parameters like depth at scale is 60 by about 17. Then pressure you keep same 25 psi, and then this welding pressure you adjust to 45. Current you adjust to tap number 8. Then clamp the rods within the 2 jaws. Then put the flash guard on the machine, and then press the push button for welding. See, the welding is done. Current gets cut off automatically. Remove the flash guard. Declamp the welded rod. Now you can clamp the welded rod in the welding jaws. Press the push button for welding. Please hovering. You can debug the rod and use whenever you want to use it. The welding of 9 mm dia bicarbon rods to be welded. For this we, as per the data given in the manual, adjust the pressure to 85 psi for clamping. This welding pressure we adjust to say 15 psi. Then gap at scale keep at 17. Then current tap at number 6. Now we can clamp the rods to be welded in the welding jaws in the center. Then press the push button for welding. Before that we will put the flash guard on. See, this high carbon requires high current, low pressure and more timing for the annealing. That's why we set at number 6 and we have set the pressure at 15 psi. That is low for the high carbon to be set. Now you can take this flash guard back, declamp the rods. Them in the welding jaws in midway, clamp them fully. Take the switch back to say number 3 and keep pressing the push button again and again till reddish tinge appears and the scales are visible near the weld. The welding should take more time so that it's slowly for the proper weld joint to get annealed. This is necessary especially for the high carbon rods, otherwise the joint will break in the dies. You should heat up slowly till reddish tinge appears and the scales are visible near the welded joint. Now this joint, if annealed properly, will not break in the tries. Now you can declamp the welded joint. Just see the quality of the weld. It is homogeneously welded. You can see all around that this weld will certainly pass through dies. You can deburr the joint and draw further the dies if you want. Now we show you the adjust the cap. 16. Then clamping pressure is about 85 psi. The welding pressure is about 45. Then around we keep at 8, and then the rods to be welded after cleaning them properly. See that the joint is in the center of the welding jaws. Then clamp. Put the flash rod. And then press this button. See, this is how it's welded. Take the flash rod back. Declamp the welded rod. Put it in the welding jaws. Clamp tightly. Bring the switch to number 3. Then put the flash rod on and press the new switch till the weld joint becomes reddish. Now this is annealed. You can take out the rod, deburr and use it. Now we show you the welding of aluminum rods. For this, again, as per the data given in the manual, you can set the clamping pressure about 85 psi, and then welding pressure keep at 20 psi. Then depth at scale keep at 16. Current tap at tap number 6. Then you can clamp the rods. Put the flash rod on over here. Then press the welding switch. reclamp the. This is how it is welded. Now you can do the unling by putting the welded joint in midway of the jaws. Take the current tap to number 3 and press the unlink piston slowly. Till some fumes come out. See, this is how it's welded. Now you can take out the welded and unlinked wire, deeper the same, and pass through dice if you so desire. Thank you for watching video. Trust that you must have understood and liked it. Hope that one of days some of the customers may be using this machine to their satisfaction. In case of any difficulty, please call our service department. We will be there to help you out any day, anytime. Thank you.